What's up, YouTube? Today I got this 2008 Ford Escape. The customer's complaining of it hard to start, and I'm going to show you what this is. It's a notorious problem on Fords, not just the Escapes, all Fords that use this ignition system. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now, if you ever get in your Ford and you go to turn it and it does nothing but light up, push in real hard on the key and it'll start up. What happens is it's inside the ignition tumbler, which I'm replacing. I'm going to show you how to do it today. There's a little plastic pin in there, right down in there, that makes contact with that mechanical ignition switch. And that little pin right there, little spring action pin, it starts to wear out over time and it doesn't make contact with the ignition switch anymore. I'm going to show you how to replace it. We're going to do this. Got the part already. Let's get started. Enough talk. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take off these two halves on the steering column here that covers up the switch assembly. And I'm using a 7/32, or you can use a 5.5 millimeter. That'll work too. Under the steering column here, you got, I think, looks like three screws. They're little, so they're easy to lose. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and pick these up off the floor so they don't mysteriously disappear. Put those in a cup holder, it's a good place. Just take you a little flathead action here. Pop that cover off. Now this is going to vary a little bit depending on what car you have, whether it's an Escape or a Ford Focus or whatever other models use this style. Alright. I'm pretty sure you can swivel the steering wheel up and down. This bottom cover out. Alright, maybe we can just, there, want it out of my way if we can get it all the way out of my way. Alright, now we can start unplugging everything. Can't really see that tab, but it's on the back side of the switch right here. You just press in on it and pull out. Just wiring out of your way here. I'm not sure if I really have to unplug all that, but just get it out of my way anyways. Go. All right. Now.
Hey, just pull it around front. I got it. Pull it around front.
Study this.
I got calipers, pads, rotors, rear pads, brake flush, and they'll do 2 tires.
All right. Bet. Busy day. Okay, so we unplug this, we unplug that, got that out of the way. So I think the only thing left here now is the collar. This one has just one bolt, and it's what I call a brake rivet, because it starts off as a bolt, and then when you tighten it, it snaps off for security purposes. So it looks like once we take that off, I'm just studying it because, like I said, they all vary a little differently. Just want to make sure I'm attacking it the right way. Go ahead and lock the steering wheel. And I'm going to try to get my Dremel in here to cut this old rivet out. Yep, that blade finally gave way. Let's see, I might have got it enough, hopefully. Yeah, look at that. Basically what I did is I cut it, made it like a flathead, is what I did. All right, you see, right there. Now, what else is holding her? A little bolt right there, a little bolt action on top. Same size, I think. And it's the same as the other one, so I don't care if it gets mixed up. Maybe, possibly, I think. One more. Down in there. Got a little light, so see what's up. Down there. That's why I'm studying the part. Sometimes you gotta do that. That's why I got the magnet too. And like I said, they're all the same. You can see. Let's see if that'll cooperate now. Is there another one? Let's see. So you want to go in there? We got that out. I don't think there's another one. What is holding you, my friend? Oh, I think I remember. I think it like slides in is what it does. Maybe that's one more bolt, possibly. Yeah, I think this one on the bottom here. A little hole right there. Right there. Alright, it feels a lot looser now, so I think it's about to come out. Swing your little arm down there. Hey, there we go. Alright, now we're reusing this switch because there's nothing wrong with the switch. So you're going to want to pop this old switch out. Trying to remember how to pop that out. It's usually a little pinhole. You got to pop your transponder off too here. Transfer that over. Be careful not to break these little tabs. Now I'll click that on last. Where's that little pin at? Let's see. There it goes. Got to put it in the accessory position. Let me show you again. So just one click, then push down that little hole, pulls out, just like that. And this one's not lined up, so look in the old one to see where it's turned, where it's clocked at, the position. Come on. Sometimes you can stick that in there and get it to turn. Let's see. We're close. Not too far off. Let me go grab some needle nose pliers. Yeah, let's see if this big screwdriver will do it first. Maybe. There it goes. All right. Feels good to me. Gotta play with it a little bit. Pop your little transponder thingy on here. Get on. Okay, one more good test, still springy. You look in there, that little pin. Can't really see, but it's shaved down. All right. And then turn your line up. This little doohickey has to go in that square hole right there. The multi-function switch. It's going to flop around on you. So. Get in there. I'm getting close. There we go. Or maybe not. Just gotta keep working with it, y'all. Show who's boss. I'm gonna go ahead and start this bolt if I can. Keep it from coming back off. Okay. Make sure everything's lined up before I start tightening things down. I don't want to hear no snap, crackle, pop going on when you're putting it back together, y'all. There's all plastic stuff in here, so it's very breakable. Okay, nice and lined up. You know you're lined up whenever you're able to run the screw all the way down. And these holes right here where these little bolts go. Okay. Now we can start putting these screws back in. There. Go ahead and plug all this crap back in too while we're here on this side. Alright. Seat all your little clips here to keep it from rubbing anything. Alright. Plug your transponder back in. Get in there. You're messing with me. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put this screw back in as well. Yeah, that one's at a funny angle. Get in there. Let's see if I can. All right. Now let's go ahead and, before we put everything back together, before we tighten this rivet down, let's make sure it starts. Steering wheel lock on me. Boom. See, I don't have to push in on it no more. We're good now. All right, now we can safely break our rivet off. Oh, shut up, I know. Headlights are on. Annoying dinging. Keep tightening it down until it snaps off. Boom. Like that. Alright, now the fun part. We have 4 screws and only 3 came out here, so this screw that I didn't put back in. Got this one, the bottom one, Where was that other one at? Go ahead and secure that. Nothing there. Bottom one. I'm having a brain glitch, y'all. We only had 3 on here, so I know one of these is still going to. One in there. One down here. That one down there. Sorry, y'all. Of dumbness here. Oh, up top. One up top. Boom. All right. Now. I just love dealing with these covers. My favorite part. Make sure that little grommet goes over the keyhole, nice and pretty. That. This is a two-piece design here. Put that together. Make sure your halves click together before you put the bolts in, because it will not line up, I promise you, no matter how hard you try. If you keep fighting it, you'll start breaking stuff. Test everything. One more try. Before I bolt everything down. One more test. Just snug them. Don't be crazy. They'll break real quick and real easy. Alright. Last but not least, alright, there we go, simple as that. Gotta clean my little grease off there, especially when you're working on customers' cars. You don't give them the cars back dirty. That's what I hate about light interior. Light gray and tan is the worst. Alright, we good to go, y'all. It's that simple. This is something you can definitely do at home by yourself, no programming required. You can reuse your ignition tumbler too if there's nothing wrong with it, which most of the time is nothing wrong with it. It's usually always the plastic part, the electronic part that wears out, and you don't have to get a new key either. All right, so I'm gonna end this video with y'all have a good day. Y'all please subscribe, check like, peace out YouTube.